Hi guys, it's Jay White here, and today I'm doing a review on a American Classic Daisy BB single shot pistol. The newer model is all black. This is $60 at Walmart. The new model is all black, and it has a small brass bolt on the chamber. Right here's the chamber. And you load around in there, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. You load the round in, and you push it forward, and you lock it in. But special message to Jake and I swear to God, if you're sarcastic, I will hurt you tomorrow. Just saying. Alright, so we're gonna do a shooting test on a Coke bottle here. So I'll load that up now, and I'll get you a first-person shot here. We're gonna load it up, and we're gonna pump it 12 times. I'll show you later on how to do that stuff. Later on, I'll do the second video. I'm kind of running short on time, so sorry about this. I'm gonna pump it 15 times. I'm gonna shoot 2 rounds. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So that's 15 pumps. I'm going to take the shot now. Alright, that hit it. It bounced right out, but you can see where the BB actually made an imprint. Take one more shot with, we'll try 16 pumps if I can get it. But, I'm not sure yet, but try 16 pumps. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to try to shoot a bird, guys. No, I'm not going to shoot the bird. I don't want to, actually. So this is 20 pumps, guys. That bird is not even afraid. So that was 20 pumps. And the bottle took a decent amount of damage for a small pistol, you can see. Kind of. It went through on those little holes right there. Can't really see the shape. Left a like a dent type thing in there. It pierced the plastic a little bit, didn't go through. But I'd recommend this gun to smaller children, but it is fun for adults too, because you can make it more powerful as you go. It's a kind of a good if you're like hunting with hunting rounds. I'm using only the training circular rounds, but if you're using hunting rounds, it's a good pistol to make a quick execution. If, like, you don't want to suffer, but not really a good pistol for primarily hunting. I'd recommend like a rifle. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And I made another video on a Daisy repeater carbine. If you haven't seen that, you can look for that. I can't really post a link. I'm doing this from my phone. So thank you guys, and have a nice day.